Hello. Today we're going to be making baked potatoes. First you have to cut the potatoes. You don't have to peel them. Now we have to add the olive, salt, and pepper. Now we have to pour the potatoes in we've got them in a little dish. We've got lots of them. I don't know how much with my sister we had to cut them. Hey, a lot because well, there still will be enough breakfast because we used 6 potatoes. Now we have to cut the butter into tiny pieces to spread over the potatoes. Yeah, you can put it in the oven. We've got the potatoes in. This one on ground, like buttery. I'll put it right here in the first space. You have to find the first space for the butter. It is. Put it over here. Oh, right here. Now it's time to preheat your oven to 425. I can't take it. It's too hard. Or you can put potatoes in the oven. In the middle of our cooking process, we flipped over the potatoes so both sides could fry. Yeah, and when it's done, you can take it out of the oven and put on the dough. Now I have to transfer them into a bowl. Now we have to put out the grains. I want to eat it. Now we're done. You can enjoy your meal. It smells like cotton candy or M&M's. Okay, try it. Very good. I like the texture outside. I like the golden brown color. It crunches on the outside and is very soft on the